Journaling is a practice of writing down thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It's a flexible tool for self-expression, reflection, and personal growth. Whether daily or sporadic, it provides a private space to explore emotions, clarify goals, and foster creativity. In today's busy world, journaling offers a sanctuary for quiet reflection and self-discovery, enriching our lives and deepening our understanding of ourselves. That's why in today's video, I'll show you how you can use a daily journal that fits seamlessly into your daily routine, helping you cultivate mindfulness, reflection, and personal growth with simple yet effective techniques. First, we have the navigation that will allow you to quickly access the pages of the template. Then we have the entries page. Here is where we can view all the entries that you've made today, this week, this month, this year, and all your entries history. Also, if we click on navigation, it'll take us to the main page of the template. Next, we have the moods page. Here is where we can view all the moods. Of course, you can add or delete moods as you wish. There's also a breakdown of all our entries based on our mood. Next, we have the energy page. Following a similar layout as the moods page, we can view all the energy levels and a breakdown of all our entries based on our energy level. Lastly, we have the database page. Here is where we can find the sources of this template, so be careful using this page. Back to the main page, we can see an overview of our entries. It won't be necessary to manually create a new entry because there's one template for each day of the week that will be created on that specific day. Here is a preview of what you'll see every time that a new day is created. We can change the icon if we want, but the day and the date will be set automatically. Now, we just have to select our energy level, the highlight of the day, a memory which is a photo, our mood, and our level of productivity in a scale of 1 to 10. And last, we can write about things that we're grateful for, affirmations, about what will make today a great day, and a reflection. And that's the template. Thanks for hanging out and diving into the world of digital journaling with me. Remember, your digital diary is your space to be real, raw, and totally you. So, keep tapping away, keep expressing, and let your digital journey be your trusted sidekick on life's adventure. If you like this template, you can download it for free. The link is in the description. If you found the video useful, a like will be very appreciated. And if you like my content and want to see more templates, don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!